So content is king, and that's what I tell my illustration students when I'm trying to tell them how to get people to come to their blog. Content is king, keywords, be yourself, and consistency. Don't put a YouTube clip up or whatever, Blip TV or any of the Vimeo sites. Don't put one clip up and then 1 month later do another one. Try to be a little bit more consistent with it. Keep them short. Mine tend to go a little long, but I would say try to do one a week. I was doing like one a month, maybe one every month and a half. And when I first discovered somebody was doing one a week, and then I discovered somebody was doing one a day, I'm like, oh my God, I'm never going to be able to find the time to do one video a week, let alone one a day. And now I've managed to fit in two, sometimes three a week. And, a lot is, you learn and you grow. And believe it or not, this little iPhone camera does the trick for me while I'm teaching. I'm always trying to do more than one thing at a time. So during lunchtime at class, I use my iPhone camera and I just film a sketchbook and I put it up there. And before, when school's not in session, I'll just shoot a couple of clips and I'll just put them up there. So be consistent.
Yeah, consistency, and we've done pretty well with Internet Business Mastery, but that's one of the biggest things I'm working on for myself with my own content. I mean, without a business partner there that I schedule to be at a certain time on an interview like this or to record together, it's easy for it to be like, oh, I've got so many other things I got to do, and then it slips and it slips and it slips, and it really does help a lot for when it comes to getting attention and traffic generation to be consistent. Like you say, give your market something that they want and put it out consistently so that they can anticipate and expect that it'll be there.
Sure.
So those are some excellent tips.
Excellent.
All right. So as we're wrapping up here, we'd really like to know how your internet business has impacted your entire life.
It's impacted my life tremendously. When I was an illustrator, my whole existence revolved around somebody else's deadline, a publisher's deadline. And I would find myself working on Sunday night to meet a deadline. And that, after 18 years, 17 years of doing illustration, really got old. And the whole part about having two classes taken away from me really left me vulnerable there in around 1997. So what internet business has done for me has given me control, a little bit more control. Nobody's ever in total control, but a little bit more control over my destiny. Like, I'm not worried about being laid off. I'm not worried about paying my bills. The money has been really unbelievable. I work hard for it. And those two items have given me a tremendous amount of freedom. And once you get that snowball started at the top of the hill, once you get that snowball rolling down the hill, it has a momentum all of its own. And my site now has a momentum, and I'm able to have much more time, much more freedom. What I keep doing is giving myself more work with that freedom. And I'm not doing what you guys do and shooting videos on the beach, but it's just financial freedom, time freedom. I'm moving into a new home in 3 more weeks, November 24th, on the North Shore of Long Island, 10 minutes away from the vineyards out there. So a lot of good things have happened due to internet business, definitely.
Well, the thing to also mention for people that are really new to this and even how powerful membership sites are. I mean, you were saying, like 1,500 members. You have to really quickly to understand, again, the money side of these things. If you have 1,000 members and they're paying you, let's say, $50 a month, that's $50,000 a month. These numbers are amazing. And even if you're making $10 a month per member and you've got 2,000 members, I mean, the money is absolutely amazing if you give people, like you said, give them what they want, let them be able to tell you what they want and actually do it. I mean, I just want to drive that home, how powerful membership sites are.
I agree. I mean, I have obviously have a different audience, so my membership fees are going to be a little bit lower than, say, an internet business site or a site that somebody's learning about, the markets and financial. topics. But even with I think my sign-up fees are extremely reasonable, and my site is pretty much accessible to everybody at the fees that I have. Going forward, I'll alter that, and other sites that I develop, I'll alter that. But right now, I think I'm at a good price point. I think it's a little low, but I'm gonna keep it there. But it's working pretty good.
Very cool. Well, one thing that I was curious about from the beginning when you mentioned that, we talked about how you've done a lot of illustration and had quite a good career with that is, what has been your favorite book that you've done an illustration for?
Oh gosh,
I totally put you on the spot there.
Well, I'm gonna say the topic of books has been I even had the niche in illustration, and my niche in illustration was, this is gonna make you laugh, 8 to 11-year-old young reader books that taught girls about American history. And I'm a bit of a history buff myself, so I loved getting into illustrating the books and getting the characters in costume. Like, it was all Civil War, it was all Revolutionary War stuff, and I just dug that topic. I mean, I don't necessarily have a specific book. Some were better than others. It was more about this working with a specific art director and how many changes they were going to give me. But one book, for instance, was a hardcover book, and it's called Silver Dollar Girl. It was about a girl who went out west to find her dad, in the gold mine in times. And that one was really fun. I loved illustrating that book cover. That was a pretty one.
Very cool.
Yeah, I'm actually just looking at it now on Amazon. Very nice.
Oh, wow.
Serious?
Nice. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yeah,
Silver Dollar Girl.
There's some bad ones on there, too, so don't look too much.
Yeah, this is great. Well, thank you so much for the interview, and please tell us again where people can go to find you online.
People can find me at drawingtutorialsonline.com. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah. Speak to you soon.
You've been listening to the iconoclasts of the 9 to 5 and the purveyors of freedom and fulfillment, Sterling and Jay. Sterling and Jay invite you to discover one of their most popular audio programs ever. The 3 Pillars of Designing Your Ultimate Internet Lifestyle. Visit freeaudiogift.com now and sign up for the free weekly Internet Business Mastery email newsletter. And you'll get instant access to this life-changing audio presentation, pulled directly from the content of the acclaimed Internet Business Mastery Academy membership community. Go now to freeaudiogift.com. Internet Business Mastery. Free your mind.